it is me Orejesu, and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas. This white space here is a canvas, 600 pixel horizontal and 600 pixel vertical. You go to resize, clicking on pixel, untick maintain aspect ratio, put in the figures that you want, and you click OK. Then next thing we're going to do is to go to the view and tick our rulers. Mine is already ticked, and we return back to home. So we're going to go to the shapes. So I'm going to use the pentagon shape. So click on pentagon and we start drawing. We go 100 by 500 horizontally and 0 to 400 vertically. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click in on transparent selection and we rotate 180 degrees. We then move this side, go to this side and move it to 50. Let's do something. Around this side you see some lines here. These lines are 9. So for it to be 50, we have to be at around this side. That means we have to go to the midpoint. This side will be 4, this side will be 4, and this is the midpoint. So we start moving it. It's not yet okay. This is just 4 now, and this is where 50 is. And we Control V. I'm sorry. We Control A, Control C, and we move to this side of the canvas. It's already 50 here, and Control V. We also go to the end point of this side and we Control V. There's one more thing to Control V. So we are through, and the next thing we have to do is to start filling. We go to edit colors to choose some colors. Okay. Okay, Control A, Control C. Open another page in Paint. I'll make it 2400 pixel horizontal and 600 pixel vertical. Control A, Control C, and we increase the canvas to 1200 pixel horizontally. And we Control okay, and Control V. To make this uniform, I'm going to rotate it 180 degree. Control A, Control C. So we are through. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.